The Little Vegetarian Wolf. Once upon a time, there was a little wolf, but this wolf was very different. He only ate vegetables. His parents were very worried. They tried everything, but nothing worked. One day, the little wolf saw a little rabbit. He chased the rabbit fast, fast, fast. With one big jump, he hit the rabbit to the ground. "Oh," cried his parents, "finally he eats meat." But the little wolf looked serious. He said, "Little rabbit, tell me, where did you hide the carrots?" The rabbit laughed. The little wolf smiled. He loved vegetables after all.